Why, hello. So, this is the March update for Pirate Software, the game studio, and Heartbound, the game that we're working on. And yeah, let's get into it. So, first things first, Heartbound is now at 96% positive reviews out of 1,151 reviews, which is absolutely enormous. And we have now sold 32,000 copies globally. So, I don't know what to say other than thank you. Thank you very, very much. I never thought that our game would do as well as it has, especially not in early access. That's like unheard of. So thank you. Seriously. Thank you very, very much. You guys are amazing, and couldn't be happier, honestly. And I hope that you continue enjoying the game as much as you do, and I hope that you like it all when it's, finally out there and not in early access anymore. With that in mind, let's get into the latest update, because I actually just put out an update this last week. And this is patch number 10958, so everything got updated, a bunch of new content, and a massive amount of bug fixes. The first thing for this is, this patch is all of the core systems for Heartbound are finished now. What I mean by that is, all of the menus are done, there's now a pause system in the game, because everybody wanted a pause system. It can be used at any time, by the way, so if you're in the middle of combat, if you're in the middle of a dialogue scene, if you're in the middle of a cutscene of any kind, if you're in the middle of moving, whatever it is, you can actually hit pause at any time, change all the settings that you want to, and then close that at any time, and it will actually work. In fact, there's also a couple of secrets in the pause menu, so I hope you enjoy those. It's a lot of hidden stuff everywhere. But yeah, with that in mind, you can actually find this page just by going to the Heartbound Steam page, and then scroll down a little bit. You can click on right here in recent events, and then just pull up all of this new stuff and read through this yourself. Bunch of new content in here. Massive amount of bug fixes that got released with this. And with that being done, that's all the core stuff. So core stuff means that everything that comes beyond this is content updates. I made a new cutscene. I put some more story in the game. We made another combat. Whatever it's going to be is now going to be just, content, and it's going to go much faster. This type of stuff took a long time because it was hard to make it function throughout the game in a way that didn't crash things. Being able to pause mid-combat and switch controller options mid-combat and everything like that it's kind of tough, right? It's stuff that I haven't done before. Now it's finished. It actually works, and I can use these methods that I've created here on every game that I ever make beyond this, which is going to be awesome. So, yeah, I'm really happy with this. But yeah, now that that's done, we're switching over to a new release cadence. So Heartbound is going to get a content update every month on the 1st of the month, and that's it. So the next one is going to be on May 1st, which is next month. This is April 1st right now when I'm recording this video, but I just released this, so there's no point in doing another update that soon. And yeah, you can expect every time you see one of these videos, there is already going to be a Heartbound update out ready for you and with new content in it, and I think that's going to be really cool. There may be some lag time between us releasing that content patch and getting the translation work in for it, because sometimes it takes the localization team a little bit of time to translate that, but the English version is going to be out on the 1st of the month, every time. So yeah, I hope you enjoy that. The last update that I have for you is I've actually started a second channel on Twitch. So a lot of you guys may realize this, some of you may not know. I have 6 ferrets. Their names are Loki, and Snails, and Beef, and Beans, and Cheese, and Onion. So they got a bunch of food names, and then 2 not food names. But here's a picture of 4 of them. They're very cute. Look at that. This one is Loki. That's Beef. That one's Onion, and that one's Cheese. So the other 2 are missing somewhere in this photo. But yeah, it's twitch.tv/ferret software. So I managed to get ferret software, and the main channel is /pirate software, which is pretty good. But it's a 24/7 animal cam. You can go and watch them anytime, and that's it. That's it. You can just go see the ferrets. They sleep about 18 hours a day, but every day at 10 p.m. PST, or PDT right now, because daylight savings, you can get on and they'll be having playtime. So I've got a whole room set up for them, and you can go and see them running around and having fun and going wild. So yeah. And that's about it. So that's all the updates for me, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See y'all later.